Ay, sorry. Nag-aayos ako ng buhok. Nga pala, naka-record. Hi, future pilots. I'm Karen K. Bayawa, 31 years old. I'm also a registered nurse and adrenaline junkie. I chose to become a pilot because it is something different. It comes with an incredible sense of achievement and a boost of confidence. To be honest, I didn't know that there were a lot of flying schools in the Philippines. It was just through my friend who also graduated from the same school I went to. For student pilot, it shouldn't be less than 16 years of age, can read, speak, and understand English, must hold a current Class 2 medical certificate. I asked for some advice from my pilot friends, the do's and don'ts, read and watch videos of flying lessons. I guess the first few flight lessons, getting the right precision of landing, how to recover, and all the emergency procedures. The pros and cons of a woman pilot are exactly the same as the pros and cons of a male pilot. Some are easy to fly with and or highly competent, some can be difficult and or less skilled. Gender has very little, if anything, to do with aviation competency. So there are the private pilot license, CPL, which is the commercial pilot license, the airline transport pilot license, the MPL, which is the multi-crew pilot license, glider pilot, and free balloon license. I have a commercial pilot license with an Airbus 320 rating. So there are the mainline carrier, which transport passengers to destinations around the world, low-cost carrier, regional airline, cargo, military, flight instructor, corporate aviation, charter operation, and ground instructor. Depends on what airlines you opt to apply. Different airlines have different requirements. Some airlines accept low timers and some are minimum of 500 to 1,500 flying hours. My advice is always do your best. Everything can be learned if you put your heart in everything you do. Every flight is a learning experience. Realize that you will encounter periods where you seem to make little progress, and this is normal. Even the most experienced and talented pilots will make a bad landing once in a while. And don't beat yourself up if it happens. You are always pushing up against the border of your comfort zone. Flying can become very simple if you educate yourself about the rules and make the best of it.